Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this design using beads and Wireworks. So first thing first, you're going to be needing beads, any beads of your choice. You need nylon thread, you need copper wire with 0.50 mm, you need needle, you need pin and plier. You can use bead needle or you can use your normal needle to tack it, or curve needle. I think curve needle will be better. So this is the plier. Pliers should be sold for like 4.5 or 3.5 depending on your area. So these are the beads. You can use any type of bead that you want. You also need gum. That's if you're adding applique to it. That's those flower applique before you put your beads, before you tag your bead on top. So it depends. So first thing first, you're going to be using your copper wire and you fold it into two. You need to know the kind of length you want. As you can see in the video, my own beadwork were longer. That's why I'm using a longer length of copper wire. So it depends on the length you want. If you are using smaller ones, so you measure according to the length. So for me, since mine are long, I use 22 inches. Then I'm just going to cut it using my plier like so. They have like smaller plier if this big one is too big for you. I think scissors can use it. The only thing is that it's going to condemn your scissors, so it depends. Better to be safe to use a plier. If you don't have a plier, you can use a scissors that is cheaper. So I'm just going to fold like so into two. I'm going to fold it like so. Then I'll start passing my beads into this copper wire to create the design that I want. So for each side, I used 22 beads each. On one side, fix 22 beads, then the other side I also fix 22 beads. So it depends on the length and the design you're creating. So this my design is like a longer bead design, so that's why. So I'm just going to be fixing like so. Then after fixing, I've gotten my 22 beads I inserted into the copper wire. So I'm just going to tie it down. Don't tie it too tight. Don't tie it too tight because it's my cut off. So just tie it gently. Then I'm just going to remove that other side and then pass the bead to the other side like so. So there are different type of beads and there are different type of designs. So you can just be creative with your own and create your own design. So I'm just going to fix it like so. So after fixing, I'm just going to tie it up like this. I'm going to make a lot of it, so I'm just showing you the few ones that I did. So I'm just going to use my copper wire and cut it out. So I'm going to still roll it up before I tack it to the dress. So I'm going to be creating as many beads as possible. Creating the beads, next is to start tacking it to the dress. So you can, as you can see in the video, I had applique already on it. So after I was done tacking, this is how it's looking. So you can be creative with your own design and create different type of design that you want. So this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's a short tutorial just to show you guys how this bead wire work was created. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you can be getting more videos anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.